Hello tech lovers, today we are diving into the Motorola G34 5G smartphone. In the box, you will find the mobile phone, a USB Type-C cable, a 20-watt turbo-powered charger, a SIM ejector tool and a quick start guide to get you up and running. The Motorola G34 5G catches your eye with its ocean green color and a sleek vegan leather finish. It's not just about looks. This phone is designed to be both slim and durable with an IP52 water-repellent design, making it ideal for everyday use. The Moto G34 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 695 5G processor. Combine this with 8 GB of RAM and you get blazing fast performance and ultra-smooth multitasking. This phone features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate for seamless scrolling. With Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, every sound is a rich, multi-dimensional audio escape. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the dual camera system on the back. It boasts a 50-megapixel main camera for high-resolution photos and a 2-megapixel macro lens for stunning close-ups. The 16-megapixel front camera ensures your selfies are just as impressive. With this phone, you get a massive 5000 mAh battery that keeps the phone running all day. When you do need to charge, the 20-watt turbo-powered charger gets you powered up quickly. The G54 5G is also equipped with a side fingerprint scanner for secure, easy access, and it supports extensive 5G bands for optimal connectivity. The latest Android 14 OS enhances your user experience, allowing you to customize and control your device like never before. Thanks for tuning in. Grab your Motorola G34 5G today.